this is where we're up to. I put the new grips on this morning and glued them in place. Just got some zip ties on them to keep them in place. And the clock is on, mileometer, trip meter I mean, new bar pad. Also the bike's hanging on its side from the gantry there, because I've been doing that oil seal on the filter. So there's the old one down there. Put the new oil seal in, so hopefully that'll stop leaking. Obviously I've still got a problem with the rads, but I'll be coming back to that later on. And I buffed the seat up, cleaned that up best I could. It's complete at the minute, but by no means restored. As those of you who watched the first video, this isn't a UK bike, so I've got to go through the registration process. So I got to get it MOT'd before I can get the title or logbook. So I'm just getting the bike running before I do a full restoration. So I'll be doing the swinging arm bearings and bushes. They're okay for MOT, but I'm going to be doing all that after I get it registered. So then the full restoration will start. So this is what it looks like at the minute. After I get the MOT, I'm going to be doing the rear shock. I'm going to send that off to be regassed, and all the bushing and bearings, swinging arm bushing and bearings, chain and sprockets, and front suspension. I'm going to be servicing all that. So this is just a quick update of what it looks like at the minute. It's already a lot better bike than when I bought it. But this isn't what I call restored, this is just getting it running so I can get the registration process done.
So, something been messing on my garden. Oh my god! Oh, look at the piggy killed my plants. The piggy dig my tulips. I will kill that piggy. Oh my god! Oh, there's a tulip in between here. Oh my god, if I see that piggy, I'll kill that piggy. Ruining my garden and my tulips. Dug up my tulips. That piggy wiggy. Oh, look at that mess of the piggy. Oh my goodness. Is there any damage on my flowers? Oh my god. The piggy wiggy. I think the piggy is better dead. Or else my plant's gonna be dead. Oh, I can't forgive that piggy. What the piggy done to my tulips. I'll go find the piggy and I'll ask the piggy to bury that again. Look! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my god!